What's going on, everybody? Wanted to do just an unboxing and initial thoughts and review on the new Harbor Freight subcompact, or they call it a super compact air impact wrench, 1/2 inch, 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. You all know how that goes. If you watch the Torque Test channel, you know a lot of those numbers are not accurate. I know with the air tools, they are a little bit more accurate as far as that goes. So I just wanted to do an unboxing on it. It's 8,000 RPMs. It does have 2 forward speeds and then 1 reverse speed. And the total tool weight is 3.7 pounds. So let's get in here and see. Looks like they give you some air tool oil. I think they do that a lot with some of their air tools. I honestly don't have a ton of air tools anymore. Most of my stuff is battery powered, so. Just to remind you to put some oil on there. Feels pretty good. It's comfortable. It's definitely top heavy, I can tell. Definitely top heavy. The reason I say that is because I have my Matco compact 1/2 inch, and it's definitely way more balanced. And this is the only other compact air one that I have to compare to. And this is way lighter, and it's more balanced. It's not as, like, this is just very top heavy. I mean, it's not unbearable, don't get me wrong. The tool only weighs 3.7 pounds, but it feels like almost all the weight is up top and in the front here in the nose. So, but I'll try to give you guys an idea. Let's see. Try to show you the size difference here so you can see. So it looks like maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches of depth change, maybe 1.5 inches closer probably. But yeah, I don't know. It feels nice. There's your switch. Moves nice and smooth. 2 forward speeds, 1 reverse speed. So yeah, nothing fancy. I don't want to keep this video super long. It's only $149 at Harbor Freight. The downfall is the 90-day warranty. Now, typical fashion with most stores nowadays, you can buy extended warranties. I think the 2-year was like 45 bucks, maybe somewhere right around in there, and the 1-year was $31. So you can add an additional warranty to it. I don't know. With air tools, I feel like, they should have a longer warranty. The Matco and, the tool truck companies, I feel like their warranties are usually pretty crappy. And this came with a 2-year warranty. Now, granted, the flip side of that is I've had to send this in once or twice already. And then now the trigger's giving me issues already, or again. So, or in addition, I'm sorry. So I've not had any issues with the trigger until now, but I'm going to have to send it in again. And I'm almost 100% certain it's out of warranty now. So who knows what that's going to cost me to get that fixed. So I guess it really doesn't matter, 90-day warranty or not, as long as it lasts, longer than this one has, because I bought this and like within a month I had to send it in for warranty, and then a few months later had to send it in again for warranty. So ever since then it's been pretty good, except for now, like I said, the trigger's bad. So at the end of the day, it's got to work, right? So I'll do an updated video here in another week, couple weeks, month maybe, as much as I can get it to use. I'll start using it on all my tire rotations and any suspension work I'm doing and stuff, and we'll see what kind of abuse she can handle and all that. Currently, right now, I'm pretty sure all they have is green, because I went to their website to try to find out if they had any other colors, because they make a bigger version of this, and they have a bunch of different colors, and all I could see, or all I found online was green. So I'm assuming they're gonna make it in other colors, because the bigger size comes in like yellow, gray and black, red and black, green and black. So they've got a bunch of different colors, so I'm hoping they do. Green's not my favorite, but I know it's super popular. I just don't have any green tools, so that's the only reason it's not my favorite. The majority of mine are red and black. So that's neither here nor there. Appreciate y'all watching. If you have any questions about it or comments, whatever, throw them down in the comments section. I'm happy to answer anything I can. Please like, subscribe, and share like you'll always hear in all YouTube videos. It obviously helps us grow the channel and, hopefully grow the channel to where we can start making some revenue and buy more tools to do more videos like this. So, the goal is to get this stuff on video and show you what it's like before you actually have to go and spend your money on it and, waste your money if it ends up not being good. We'll do the test so you don't have to. Appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks.